Shipping containers are usually where old furniture goes to die or where rust gathers on a shipyard dock. But then you step inside a 40-foot luxury prefab and realize your entire perspective on modern housing just shifted. It does not feel like a cold metal tube at all. The walls are solid and perfectly insulated against the outside world. You do not get that hollow metallic echo when you walk across the floor because the flooring is dense and well laid. It feels like a real, permanent foundation under your feet. The first thing that hits you is the sheer scale of the space. Most tiny homes make you feel like you are living in a walk-in closet with a view. This layout carves out distinct zones for sleeping, working, and lounging. None of those areas bleed into each other in a messy way. They used vertical storage and fold-out features in a way that actually makes sense for a human being. It is a masterclass in spatial awareness and clever planning. You have these massive windows that pull the outside world right into the living room. It stops the space from feeling like a sealed vault or a dark cave. The build quality is where the real value shows up under the surface. We are talking about reinforced steel frames and industrial-grade weatherproofing. It is built to survive a literal storm without breaking a sweat. No drafts. No leaks. No rattling when the wind picks up in the middle of the night. The temperature control is the most impressive part of the engineering. Usually, these metal boxes turn into a scorching oven by noon or a frozen wasteland by midnight. Not here. The thermal layers keep the climate stable and cozy without forcing your air conditioner to work overtime and drain your bank account. Even the plumbing and electrical work feel like they were handled by professionals who actually understand how people live. The water pressure is strong enough for a real shower. The outlets are placed exactly where you would naturally reach for them. You are not hunting for a place to plug in your phone behind a heavy sofa or under a bed frame. The kitchen is a fully functional space where you can actually cook a real meal instead of just heating up frozen pizza. It is not just a tiny hot plate and a cramped sink. You have actual counter space and cabinetry that feels sturdy and premium. The bathroom is the same story. It is a proper shower and a stylish vanity with modern fixtures. It feels like a boutique hotel room rather than a garage conversion. People often worry about the aesthetic being too industrial or cold, but the finishes are clean, modern, and warm. It feels intentional and sophisticated. This is for the person who wants a beautiful retreat without the 2-year headache of a traditional construction site. You drop it on your land and you are essentially ready to move in. It is the ultimate shortcut to a high-end lifestyle. The speed of the whole process is staggering. You get durability and style in a package that arrives ready for action. No more dealing with contractors who never show up on time. No more budget overruns that bleed your savings dry. It is a predictable, high-quality solution for anyone looking to simplify their daily life without sacrificing any of the comforts found in a traditional home. The reliability here is what truly sets it apart from those cheap DIY projects you see on social media. You are buying peace of mind and a place that feels like a sanctuary from the very first day. It is about reclaiming your time and living in a space that actually works for you instead of against you. Everything about the design focuses on making the transition to tiny living feel like an upgrade rather than a compromise. You get the ruggedness of steel with the soul of a luxury apartment. It is truly a remarkable feat of modern architecture.